Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best spoiler kits are probably one of the most sought-after automotive accessories for enthusiasts looking to enhance their vehicle's aesthetics and performance, offering a dramatic visual upgrade that can significantly alter the car's profile and aerodynamic capabilities, making it a popular choice for those who desire a more aggressive and sporty look that turns heads on the street and potentially improves handling at higher speeds, thus representing a significant investment in personalizing your ride. Number 5. RULLINE Shark Fin Diffuser Kit. Give your car a fierce and sporty look with this EVO-style accessory. Its sleek, glossy finish will make your vehicle instantly noticeable. Equipped with a powerful adhesive backing, it attaches firmly to your car. It's built to last, even in challenging weather conditions. Experience a smoother ride by reducing air resistance and noise. This improves your vehicle's stability, especially at higher speeds. Designed for a wide range of vehicles, it offers a perfect fit without requiring any modifications. Enjoy a seamless integration. Installation is straightforward. Simply peel off the backing and stick it in place, ensuring proper alignment for the best results. What we like. If you want to give your car an aggressive, sporty look, this kit is for you. Its strong adhesive ensures it stays put, even in harsh conditions. Consider this if you're looking for an easy way to enhance your car's appearance and aerodynamics without major modifications. What people say. The spoiler is made of high-quality carbon fiber, which is both lightweight and durable. The design of the spoiler is sleek and aerodynamic, improving the car's handling and stability at high speeds. Installation was straightforward, and all necessary hardware was included. Number 4. ECOTRIC MU-style ABS trunk spoiler for 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic sedan. Enhance the appearance of your 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic 4-door sedan. This rear trunk spoiler wing is designed to give your car a sportier, more aggressive stance. Crafted from durable ABS plastic, this spoiler is built to last. It features a sleek, painted gloss black finish for a premium look. The MU style adds a distinctive touch to your vehicle's rear. It's a direct replacement for your original trunk spoiler wing. Experience better driving stability at high speeds. This accessory helps reduce air resistance, keeping your car planted firmly on the road. Installation is straightforward, with all necessary hardware included. While instructions are not provided, it's designed for a direct fit onto your trunk. Specifically designed for the 2006 through 2011 Honda Civic 4-door sedan models. It ensures a precise fit and seamless integration with your car's design. What we like. For owners of a 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic 4-door sedan, this spoiler offers a direct replacement with a sleek gloss black finish. It's designed to improve aerodynamic performance and stability at high speeds. If you have this specific Civic model and want a factory look upgrade, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The spoiler is made of high-quality carbon fiber, which is both lightweight and durable. The design of the wing is sleek and aerodynamic, providing a noticeable improvement in downforce. Installation was straightforward, and all necessary hardware was included. Number 3. ICBEAMER Universal Carbon Fiber GT Wing Spoiler. Introducing the ICBEAMER Universal Carbon Fiber GT Wing. Elevate your vehicle's appearance and performance with this premium accessory. This spoiler adds a sporty, aggressive look to your car. It also works to lower drag, improving overall aerodynamics. With adjustable brackets, you can customize the downforce for your specific needs. This dramatically improves vehicle stability, grip, and traction. Crafted from real, high-quality carbon fiber using advanced vacuum-infused technology. It's built to last and features a UV-proof clear coat to prevent fading. The bolt-on design makes it easy to assemble with all necessary parts included. It's designed for a universal fit on most sedans with a trunk, though drilling is required. For optimal customization and to tailor it to your vehicle's specific efficiencies, we recommend professional installation by a reputable mechanic. What we like. Crafted from real carbon fiber with a UV-proof clear coat, this GT wing offers both aggressive styling and customizable aerodynamic performance. Its adjustable brackets allow you to fine-tune downforce for improved stability and grip. If you're looking for a premium, high-performance spoiler that can be tailored to your driving style and vehicle, this is a top contender. What people say. The spoiler is made of high-quality ABS plastic, which is durable and lightweight. The design of the spoiler is sleek and aerodynamic, improving the car's performance. Installation was straightforward, and all necessary hardware was included. Number 2. LivTee Auto Trim Removal Tool Kit, Blue. Introducing a comprehensive kit designed for all your auto trim needs. It includes everything you need for dashboards, door panels, and interior clips, handling both delicate and tough jobs with ease. Crafted from upgraded, impact-resistant nylon, this tool is built to last. It's stronger and more durable than common ABS, ensuring it won't snap or bend, even during demanding tasks. Achieve precision with thin, angled tips that easily access tight gaps. The reinforced grip offers better leverage, reducing the risk of damage and hand fatigue, making it safer than metal alternatives. Work with confidence knowing its scratch-safe edges will protect your vehicle's surfaces. The ultra-thin tips slide cleanly under trims without marking dashboards, panels, leather, or paint. This tool is perfect for a wide range of vehicles, from cars to boats, and even household projects. It easily removes various components, making it essential for both beginners and professionals. What we like. This is not a spoiler, but a crucial toolset for anyone working on their car's interior. Made from durable, impact-resistant nylon with scratch-safe edges, these tools protect your delicate panels and clips. If you're installing new audio equipment, removing door panels, or working on any interior trim, this kit will make the job easier and safer. What people say. The spoiler has a sleek design that significantly enhances the car's aggressive look. Installation was straightforward, and the kit included all necessary hardware for a secure fit. The high-quality ABS plastic construction ensures durability and resistance to weathering. Number 1. Mophorn GT Wing Spoiler 43.3-inch Aluminum. Introducing the Mophorn GT Wing Spoiler, a universal rear spoiler designed to elevate your driving experience. It's crafted for those who demand performance and style. Constructed from lightweight aluminum, this spoiler offers exceptional durability and strength. It's built to withstand the demands of high-speed driving while remaining incredibly light. Achieve a sporty and stylish appearance with its fully adjustable angles. You can customize its efficiency and look to perfectly match your preferences and your car. Experience improved driving stability and reduced fuel consumption at high speeds. Its single-deck design effectively minimizes air resistance, ensuring a smoother, more efficient ride. This universal spoiler optimizes your car's aerodynamics by reducing drag and increasing downforce. This results in maximum traction, grip, and enhanced stability on the road. Enjoy a great driving experience thanks to its easy installation and well-crafted design. It's the perfect upgrade for any car enthusiast looking for a performance boost. What we like. This lightweight aluminum GT wing spoiler provides a sporty, racing-inspired look and enhances aerodynamic performance by reducing drag and increasing downforce. Its adjustable angles allow for a customized setup to improve stability and grip. If you're aiming for a JDM or drift aesthetic and want to optimize your car's handling, this is a great option for its adjustability and performance. What people say. The spoiler is made of high-quality carbon fiber, which is both lightweight and durable. The design of the spoiler is sleek and aggressive, giving the car a sporty look. Installation was straightforward, and all necessary hardware was included. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.